Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is December 30th, Monday, 2024. It's almost New Year. For this unboxing video, we'll be doing is going to be a karaoke machine. This is made by Geardon. I'm sorry. I know the video is kind of flip over, but anyway, it's a Geardon rechargeable speaker karaoke machine. The model number is below right here. It's model number GD-SG10. So it came with the 2 microphone, remote control, and you got yourselves a speaker, a 15-inch screen. Right, it's touch screen. So you open from the top. Kind of show you guys the box really quick. Yeah, so I just got this on during the holiday, during the Christmas actually. It was asking for $649.99, but it has a $100 off due to the holiday. It was also $100 off during the Cyber Monday as well, but I didn't get it. I got it during the Christmas. I got it from Walmart. I know that they also sell it on Amazon. Same price, exactly $649.99, but with $100 off during the holiday. First of all, I'm not sponsored by the Geardon, but I just kind of want to show you guys what's it like, what's it look like when you open it. Yeah, and then maybe next time I'll do a review on the karaoke part, but this is mainly just the unboxing part. So yeah, once again, the model number is GD-SG10. They also come with a different color. This is black. I think there's also another black or something, like grayish black or something. I'm not quite sure. It is made in China somewhere. I saw it earlier, I think. Let me see. I thought I saw it earlier somewhere. It mentioned that it's made in China. So try to open it. It also has an indicator telling you where to open. So on the top here it say open. So okay, everything's open. Let's open from the top. So first thing after opening, great packaging. Everything came with it, very tight seal. You got all these foam. Let's see. It also came with a handle as well. So I'm grabbing the handle right now. Okay, let's move the box out of the way. In the box, it has, let's see, get yourselves a instruction manual. So you got instruction manual. You got 2 battery, purple color. It looks like a lithium battery. You got the wire. You got the USB-C, no, USB adapter outlet. And then this is a Type-C, USB to Type-C cable. So yeah, instruction, model number right there. Looks something like that. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Of course, you got the You got the 2 microphone. Let's check these out. One, and then the second one right here. 2 microphone. What else am I missing? got the remote control, and then this is a charger, a regular, like a computer charger type, regular charger, and I assuming this connected to this black cable. But anyway, we'll do that later. Let's open this, show you guys what to expect. Let me try to remove the sleeve. It has wheels on the bottom, a caster on the bottom, so for you to drag onto. Not all four, just the one in the back. So show you guys really quick. You got a 15-inch screen. You got the speaker on the bottom right there. You got the kind of like a luggage type of thing. You got the a caster on the bottom for the wheels, just for the back, not the front. You got the handle on the side right here, both sides, red. So that's really nice. Yeah, in the screen, it looked like it has a film on it where you have to peel it off. Let's show you guys the top. Alright, let me flip the camera around. Oops. Alright, so the camera, what you see here is you got 2 spots for your microphone right there where you could put it in. You got the volume control, mic volume. You got all these adjustments for the mic and speaker. You got the power button. Excuse me. What does this say? Let me flip around. DC. What does that say? DC voltage in. So I guess you could have some sort of speaker or something. I don't know. I gotta look at the instruction. HDMI out. So this, I'll probably use this to connect it to the TV. You could also have a, SD card, small USB type 3.0. Okay. Live, I don't know what this is. I assuming this is power charged. 15 music volume. So this control the music. This is control the mic. You got power on and off. There's 2 power off. Okay, I gotta look at it. What's the difference? Oh, this is for the LED. So I assuming this is for the speaker, and this is for the iPad or the screen for that. Android system, LED mode. Yeah, so a lot of stuff. Since I have it on this way right now, it's easier to see. Also, these things, the speaker itself, it lights up. It has different patterns. I saw on the website. The bottom, the back, give you guys a look of it. I like how it has a color indicator on the side. These are red. The back has a caster on it. The front doesn't have a caster. Yeah, so that's about it. And all the stuff that came with it. You got the 2 speaker microphone. You got the battery and everything. So I'm just going to set it right here next to the TV and I'll plug it in. Yeah, that's it. So that's the unboxing of it, and then I'll do another video next time, show you guys what to expect. But like I say, I got this for $549.99, so $550 plus the tax, free shipping, so roughly $600 with a discount, $100 off. If you buy it regular without the holiday deal, you're looking at $700, $650 plus shipping. I mean plus the tax, so like $50 something tax. So you're looking at $700. But during the holiday, they usually have $100 off. Let me show you guys the. So that was the box I mentioned earlier. Model number. I thought I saw somewhere that Android 12 version. I don't know what's the Android version right now. You got the weight of it. Was from Walmart right there. Yeah, it's from China, Guangzhou. Returned to Guangzhou. Oh, should have asked them to hook it up. But anyway, yeah. So, all right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Tomorrow's 31st, so it's gonna be firework, midnight, and everything. But I hope I could use this. You know, get some karaoke thing going. Maybe I'll do a video tomorrow. Okay. All right, guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.